Hi friends, today I am doing what's in my bag video. It's an Allen Solly handbag and basically in white and black color. There's a tan leather also in there. So it's a pure and a perfect mixture of white, black and a brownish you can say bag. So let's just dive into this. So as you can see it's quite full. So first what I can see is my wallet. Here is my wallet and it has my cards, my mother photo. There's a slot for the cash, so I have some cash. I have my ID, work ID. Okay, this is an interesting stuff which I wanted. So I always keep this. I don't know what this called as, but this is a very useful mm, thing that so it has screwdriver, it has letter opener, it also has a box opener, then a bottle opener, inch ruler, screwdriver, and can opener and multiple things. I can insert a card over it. There's a cell phone stand and so it's quite useful. So I got this from Amazon. If you wanted to buy it, I can just link in the just drop in the link below for from where you can buy in this. Guys, this is really useful. So this is my wallet. Next thing what I can see is my keychain. So this keychain basically has three things. This is a gift from my junior, very loving junior. Thank you, Konika, for this. And then there is this small pouch which I bought it from an airport. So it has my two very precious badge. One is of CA and one is of CS. The third thing what I have is a home keychain. It's remind me of my hometown, which I really miss these days. So yeah. Then this is my medicine pouch. This pouch is I got it free from a website. It's a cosmetic or a website called Smitten, from where I ordered some random things and from where and I got this as a free gift. So in this I have all the medicines that can be useful. Some Advils, some Deriphyllin, some Crocin, some Gasofast, some hydration pills, uh, then this spray for that muscle relaxation and other stuff like that. Next what I can see is this. Actually I made this a kit. In this I always keep a spare piece of a mask, hand sanitizer and a gloves. So yeah. Next is my shades. By the way, this is not a branded shade. I just got it these from Amazon, and I got it these from I think so 150 or 200 bucks. So this is quite sexy, and I really like it. It suits my face also. So yeah. Next is this makeup pouch. Though I am not a makeup person, but I usually keep this. So this in this I have a mirror. I got this as a free gift from Nykaa when I ordered a Bobbi Brown product. I think so, lipstick. Then next what I can see is a highlighter, a small face cream. Then there is hand cream, small MAC lipstick in the shade Whirl. Then a face base from Bobbi Brown. Then small mascara from MAC. Then the miniature perfume. Then this is a lipstick from Lakme, and I love this shade. Then there is a miniature lip gloss from Bobbi Brown. Then a MAC Prep and Prime Fix. So this is also a gift from Nykaa. And then there's a lip primer. Next thing what I can see is my sunblock, UV blues. Then my stationery pouch. In this I have multiple pens. A few things I would like to show you from this pouch is like one I should show you. Yeah. So basically this, as you can see, it's a pen, but it's not a pen. It's not a pen. It's basically a scissor, and you can like use it here. And there's a knob here. You just have to like make this off, and the scissor will open. So this is very handy and useful. And second thing, what is good in my bag is this. This is a rubber pen. I really love these stuff. So yeah, and some random pens, highlighter, brown pen. Then there's a correction tape. And all that. Next thing, what I can see is move spray. I don't know. Then here there's a free coupon gift. In this I keep my business cards. Mint. This is a female hygiene kit. I just want to show you. Actually, this kit I have ordered it from a website. I don't remember right now. But in this, I got few products, and then I after that I just customized it. So in this, what I keep is a pair of panties, some medicines for my period cramps, panty liners, intimate wipes, some more intimate wipes, then a toilet spray, what you call it as potpourri and all that. And there's a period cramp band-aid, then sanitary napkins, then disposable bag, and what else I have. Then this is stand and pee stick. So this is what I have in my feminine hygiene product. Then there's a then there's this pouch. This is a very important pouch for me. Actually, it always go from every bag which I shift to. It's always have this. So first, what I can see is a dry shampoo. It's from BBlunt. It's a small comb. Then there's a thread and a needle. Wipes, shoe shiner, hydrating stick. Sorry, from then my asthma pump, my deodorant stick. In this I keep my watch. I'll just show you. This is my watch, and I keep it here so that there will be no scratches. Tight to go pen, some mints, hand cream, face mist, clutches, scrunchie, some more clutches, some silver pearls. This is nail and cuticle oil. Yeah. Next is a compartment in between, and I want to show you some. There. In this I have a mint in orange flavor. Then in the last compartment actually don't have anything. So yeah. So oh, there's also a zip. I just forgot. There's a zip at the back of the bag. So in this, what I have is my card holder in which I keep my metro cards and other cards. Then apart from this, I have some moments. Sorry, chewing gums. These are. Then there is one more metro card. Some more pearls. And I have this small pouch also in here. I don't know what's in there, but I have these also. In this I keep my earbuds. Oh, I don't know what's. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching my video.